Hello everyone. Am I audible, visible? मेरी आवाज आ रही है? चलो बिल्कुल आ रही होगी मेरी आवाज आ रही है? चलो ठीक है. So guys, welcome you all again to this my DI series. यहाँ पे हम लोग फिर से एक DI सीरीज की शुरुआत कर रहे हैं. तो आपको पता है ये बेसिकली हम लोगों ने लगातार मैंने बेसिकली 4-5 क्लासेस ली हैं DI की, जहाँ पे एक लेवल मैंने सेट किया कि इफ़ एनी वन ऑफ यू joins me, that I have set one level that you should attain these classes for getting the things into the mind. Okay, what kind of crack and concept are being involved. So first of all, I would give you some of the today's I would say today's super light about our batches. So basically we are having Oliveboard banking super elite, one plan all courses 2000 plus test. Why super elite? This is again a good question, everyone. Why you should go for super elite batch? So if you go for super elite batch, you can have access to all the courses. You can go for 3000 live classes for all major exams. Okay. You can have 2000 plus tests with AI analysis. You can re-attempt test mode enabled. You can also go for PYPs and past live test as well. But might be some of you will thinking about ki sir, if I purchase the normal course, what about that? Is that not worthy? See, normal course is having some limited features, which I'll show you right now. That normal course has some limited features, which I'll show you. Okay, just wait. That what kind of, I would say, features that normal courses are having. So you might be seeing here again, you might be seeing here, which is very much visible, that normal courses and super elite courses having what kind of difference. Just give me a moment. Okay. That normal courses and super elite courses have what kind of differences. For example, normal courses, you are only assessed to you are only limited to one course. That's normal part. Then for the super elite, you can assess to all banking exams. Live courses are limited in this. You are getting like a lot of live courses, whatever live courses like English, Hindi, you get both of them. Mock test limited to one exam. Here you can give 2000 plus test. Only PDFs, class PDFs are there. Here PDF and also for the SO exams. Tag faculty doubt, you can limited here, but you can like tag faculty any number of times. And these are others different offerings which we are giving you in the banking super elite. Okay. Secondly, I would say guys that you can join our Telegram channel, which is Bank Exam by Oliveboard. You can scan this out and you can join that. For what you can join for quiz and polls, YouTube classes, and important updates and notification. Again, I will start from the today's winning strategy and agenda. Today's agenda is basically winning strategy is basically all about that follow. I would say you should be like you should have a do always a smart work. Go for smart work. Go for smart work. This I would say means you should go for a smart work, not hard work. Agenda is to discuss SI and CI based DI. Okay. Strategy is to try to read the DI in one shot. Try to read the DIs in single go, in one go, in one go. Clear? So I hope this is clear. So today's winning strategy is go for a smart work. Agenda is SICI based DI, and my basically strategy is that you should read the DI in one go. Means you should not come again and again and again reading the DI. Okay. So from here, I think we should start the first questions of DI today. So I think guys, I'm starting it. SICI. Before starting, let me clear you some of the points. The formula for the simple interest, as all of you know, is what? Formula for the simple interest is SI is equal to P into R into T by 100. Okay. And you know amount is equal to principal plus interest. Then if I go for compound interest, amount for compound interest is P into 1 plus R by 100 to the power N. Okay. Now, if you know amount, again for this amount, is something is fine, everyone? Is everything fine? Am I audible? Am I audible? Yeah. So basically, if I would say amount equals to principal plus INT. So if principal is given, amount you can take from here and then you can solve. These are the like small basics things which we will be doing in this DI. So basically guys, first DI is in front of you. You can see. We'll read it properly and then slowly we'll solve. Now calculate the simple interest. Note, calculate the simple interest unless specified. All questions are independent from the others. Okay. First of all, I would say that no questions is aligned with each other. All the questions are different from. Okay. So basically, if you read this data, what is saying? It's saying we have a person. Okay. We have a rate of interest. Okay. Sum of here is given to us the time, and principal is also mentioned and amount is mentioned. But you can also see that some of the boxes are empty, which is Arun, Saurav, Amit, Piku, Ankit and Anita. And rate of interest are given like 6%, 6%. These are blank, 8%. Time is given to us 5 year and also blank, blank. So basically, if just before going to the question, I know that this format of question can be answered in which manner. Okay. First of all, means what they can ask. First of all, they can maybe ask you, they can relate the question, because in some of them there's given interest, in some of them they're given a time period, and principal is almost given of everyone. Okay. So you can also assume from here, before reading it, observation says what? See, observation says what? Again, observations plays a vital role when you read the question, when you read such kind of question, and this is like really doable, I would say. Okay. This is really doable, I would say. If you read the options, no, then your first, if you read the question, first thing is like observation. What your observation says. If your observation is like correct, if your observation is correct, means if your observation is like that, okay, what they can ask you the time period. Okay. And also they can also involve a compound interest as well. In this question, if I would say, in this question, they can also ask you time period. First of all, time period they can ask. Okay. They can ask you ROI. Okay. They can also ask you CI/SI difference, okay, and principle is almost given of all of them. So max to max was what they can ask. They can ask these things again, okay. And second what they can do, which is very important, they can play with the language. They can play with the words, right? Which you might be get confused. So you can also write they can play with the words, which is again I would say really important, okay. So let me guys, I'll show you the question. You will try one by one and let's see that how many of you can answer this, okay. So don't be in hurry. First of all, what the pointers I have given you, what they can ask, as I always say, observation plays very vital role. They can ask you time period, they can ask you rate of interest, they can ask you difference of SICI, and they can play with the words, which is very important. Most of the mains questions are designed in such a way that they are actually playing with the words, okay. So this is the first question. Everyone, please try this. Any one of you can try, please try. And please pause the video, take your time. I'll give you time for 5 minutes. Yeah. Timer. Let's say 4 minutes. Give me time of 4 minutes. Try this. Hi, Devanand. Try karo. Devanand, please try this question. गुड मॉर्निंग देवानंद, ये क्वेश्चन ट्राई करो, देखो एक बार क्या बना पाते हो इससे. बहुत इजी सवाल है, इट्स लाइक वेरी इजी क्वेश्चन. If the rate of interest received by Arun and Amit is in the ratio 2:3, ट्राई करो, देखो कितना बनता है, क्या बनता है, क्या आंसर आता है. ऑप्शंस मैं नहीं रखता हूँ, पता है आपको. एक बार आप लोग इस क्वेश्चन को ट्राई करके देखिए कितना बन रहा है आपसे. वो बहुत ज़्यादा इम्पोर्टेंट है. फिर मैं बनाता हूँ. टाइमर कहाँ चला गया? चलो, देखो बनेगा. ट्राई करो एक बार. प्लीज बनाइए, प्लीज सी दिस. Wait, let me give the link to some other students as well. Any answers? I thought you'll give me the answer, guys. 10 seconds left. Okay, fine. So basically what is the question? If the rate of interest received by Arun and Amit. So basically we are talking about Arun and Amit. So Arun and Amit. Okay. Is the ratio 2:3. Rate of interest of Arun is basically 6%. So Arun rate of interest is basically 6%. Amit rate of interest is not given to us, which is like x, which is equals to 2/3. So from here, what we can calculate? We can calculate the value of x, which is 6 into 3 by 2, which is x is 9%. Means Amit RY is given to us 9%. Means what I can say? Means I can say Amit RY given to us is 9%. Now, in how many years the money received by Amit will be double? Now, money received by Amit will be double. So, guys, this is the first part. Now, money received by Amit will be double with the same rate of interest, means 9%. In how many years? Value of T. So, what we know SI equals to P into R into T by 100, okay? Now, they are saying that money will be double, means your P will become 2P. Then only money will be doubled, and this is the amount. This money becomes 2P, which is nothing but amount. If amount is becoming 2P, what is the SI? Then you would say that SI would be P. Why? Because when P becomes 2P, the difference is of P only. So you can also write from here that P is equal to P into R, which is 9%, into T, which we need to figure it out, by 100. Correct? This P and P gets cancelled out. Okay, then 100 by 9 is equal to T, and 100 by 9 equals to T means 11.11. So basically T would be 11.11, which is our answer. Understood? This is very easy question, I would say. ये तो काफी आसान है. This is very easy. Nothing to do. When P becomes 2P. Is there any other process for solving this question starting from here? हमने इसको, we have started from here, then we use this formula, then as you all know, then our P becomes 2P. Now if you can also understand from this logic, whenever such kinds of questions are coming now, when your P becomes 2P, when P is becoming 2P, what is happening basically? What is happening? See, there's a change of P, which is 100%. So P is basically 100% is their change. Okay. If suppose P, the change is of 100%, now it is, you know that from traveling P to 2P, there's a change of RT%. So RT percent is 100. Okay. Now see, suppose the value of R is given to 9. Suppose of R is, so you can also write RT only. RT is basically 100. I'll say you the other part. RT is basically 100. So if you know the value of R, which is 9%, you can also write percent over here, 9%, which is again 1000 by R. And you also know that T equals to 1000 by R means 1000 by 9. And basically if you look here now, this is nothing but 1000 by 9, 100 by 9 only. So also you can relate from here that, okay, when P becomes 2P, there's a change of 100%. Remove this, there's a change of 100%. So from here to here, there's a change of 100%. This change is basically equal to RT. RT is equal to 100. From here, T equals to 100 by 9, which is 11.11. This is the second method, I would say, of solving. This is basically second method number 2, I would say, of solving. So in both the cases we are getting answer same. So I don't think that you guys need to worry about it. Let's go for next question. We'll try different methods as well. Okay. Please try this question. Let me give you the timer. Come on, try. Read the question properly and answer me, everybody. Come on. Do it properly means give what time you can give. Try. Try, everyone. Trying this, everyone. Try कर रहे हो, guys. Try कर रहे हो? Try कर रहे हो, guys? मैंने आपको प्रॉपर समय दिया इस क्वेश्चन को करने का. चलिए ट्राई करते हैं. क्या क्या लिखा है यहाँ पे पढ़ते हैं. If the interest received by Anita is rupees 7575 more than the interest received by Piku, and the rate of interest received by Anita is 2% more than the interest received by Arun. So Arun का देखो 6% है. Arun is having basically, so solution, we'll write down solution. यहाँ पे solution लिखेंगे, फिर देखेंगे that Arun is interest is, Arun का interest is 6%, Anita would be 2% more, which is Anita interest would be 8%, correct? This is Anita. Fine, this is Anita interest. Clear? Now, interest received by Anita and basically interest received by, I would say, Piku. Okay. But we don't know. So we want the Piku interest, which is we want the R% of Piku. Okay, means the value of R of Piku. So what we can do now? See what we can do now. 60,000 multiplied by R which is 8% multiplied by T which is 3 years divided by 100 minus Piku is 45,000 divided by 100. Piku T is given to us into 3 into R. This is equal to 7575. Okay. So from here what we can say, this 0, this 0, this 0, this 0. So 600 into 8 into 3 divided by, okay, not divided by. So what we can write 600 into 8 into 3. So this would become 600 into 8 into 3 will become how much? 9600. Okay, so it is this. This will become 9600 minus 45 into R. This will become how much? Yeah, this will become 1350 into R, which is equals to 7575, correct? Now 9600 minus of 7575 equals to 1350 R, correct? So you need to solve this. Basically this is the equation, everyone. This is the equation, everyone. So from here 5 2 1 और 2 divided by 1350 by R. So value of R is basically 1.5. R is basically what they are asking. Find the interest rate received by Piku every year. So every year Piku is receiving like 1.5% interest. Correct? Now, is there anything that we can do? We can also do this means verbally, because I have solved every step. So you might be seeing that how we have solved every step. This may be done verbally as well. Not too hard question. It is easy, guys. Trendy one. Try this. Solve. Solving. Please solve, everyone. 21 more seconds we are left with. Okay, let's see. If the difference between the interest received by Ankit and Saurav is 42,000, Ankit invests his money for the double. Okay, Ankit 8%. So Ankit amount is 20,000. Solution. 20,000 into 8%, not 8, only write 8, into 8 into 2t by 100 minus Saurav, 30,000 into 6% into t by 100. This would be equal to 5200. Okay, this 0, this 0, this 0, this 0, all of 0 is cancelled out. This is 32t minus 18. 32 40 na. This would be like, wait. So t minus 18 into t double 0. Now 0 0 4 1 1400, t equals to 4000, t equals to 3. So from here value of t is basically 3. Correct? We got value of t basically 3. Now find the amount Ankit will receive. Ankit principal is 20,000. Amount will be, first you need the CI P, which is 20,000 into R, 8% into T. Ankit we're talking about now. Ankit, which is 6. 500, 0 cancelled out. 16, 9600. So that is 29,600. So amount will be 20,000 plus 9,600, which is 29,600. Answer. Correct? I hope this is also fine. Next question. Please solve. Solve this question, come on. If the interest received by Anita is 20% of the sum invested by her. Anita, 20%. Sum received by her. Sum means principal. So basically first line would be like this. Interest of Anita would be 1 by 5 of which is 12,000. Okay. Which is 12,000. Is it fine? I hope so. Invested by her. Find how much more money as interest she would have to earn if she had invested the money in compound interest. Okay. So this is the interest of Anita. Okay. We need interest of Anita on compounding. Basically, we need compound interest. Correct, fine. Is it clear? But for that, we don't know the rate. So from here, we can figure it out, the rate of interest. So 12,000 equals to 60,000 into R. Anita T is basically 2 by 100. So this gets cancelled out. From this gets cancelled out. 2, 6 and 6. So basically R equals to 10%. So we got R equals to 10%. Now, if you go for compounding interest, just wait everyone. If you go for compound interest, which is amount for compound interest is that P into 1 plus R by 100 to the power n, which is 60,000 1 plus 10 by 100 to the power what? Where is basically to the power 2. Correct, because time is for 2 years. I'm not waiting for your answers because I'm just trying it. Will it be fine, everyone? Yes, I hope so. So you can see that here, this is 60,000 into 110 by 100 into 110 by 100. Correct. Cancel. 121 into 6. This is how much? This is basically amount, guys. This is basically amount. So this is 72,600. 72,000. Okay, this is the amount. If you minus it, 60,000. So this is the amount, okay? If from amount means 72,600. Okay, only 10. 72,600, okay? If you subtract, like, see, principal is what? 60,000. Amount is what? 72,600. Okay. Subtract, you're getting what? 12,600. This is interest in terms of compounding. Interest in compounding. Okay. So he would have earned if he had invested the money in compound interest. How much more money? So if she invested money in simple interest, wait a minute. If she invested money in simple interest, which is this one, this is basically SI. This is basically CI. What is the difference now? So 12,600 minus 12,000. The difference is of 600. This is the more amount she would earn if she invests the money in the simple compound interest. Clear? If she go for it. Quite lengthier question, but it's easy. That process is known to you. So I hope so. You guys are getting this, that how this question is being done. Correct, everyone? So you can see that we have like 4 questions as of now. This is totally based on SICI. And we have one more question. Yeah, we have one more question. So this is again, guys, this question is I'm giving you as an homework. Okay. So take a screenshot, I would say. This is homework. Please comment answer. Please comment your answer. Correct? Please comment your answer, everyone. Please, and please, I would say that comment your answer. Till then, as I said, follow this series, subscribe to the channel. We on the daily basis, as I said, on the daily basis we are doing this. So I don't think so any one of you will have a problem. On daily basis, guys, learning is important. As I said on the day 1, you should daily improvement chart or track improvement chart. You should prepare your track improvement chart. Track improvement chart. Improve your maintain your track improvement chart. Okay. write down DI, then write down concept, okay, write down the learning on daily basis, okay. Now I'm going to also, we are also going to solve a quant question as well, quant questions as well. So you guys need to join me. This class is happening on the daily basis, which is at 11:30 a.m. Join my Telegram channel as well, as I said. Okay. Track improvement chart should be there. DI concept. If you are like eager, you can watch my, you can come to my paid classes also. Till then, I hope you guys have really enjoyed my class. Till then, bye bye everyone. Bye guys. Please like it, share it, and do not forget to answer the remaining questions. Okay. Till then, bye bye everyone. Bye guys. Keep shining and keep learning. And follow, like, comment, subscribe, everybody. Daily we are doing one DI. Tomorrow is also quant based DI. So everyone needs to follow that. This is the homework. This is the homework. This is the homework. Bye bye everyone. Bye guys. Shining off Agnimitra. Bye. Take care. Bye bye.